Hey guys, this is Scott from Adventure Moto Touring. I just got back from a big tour up through Idaho, Utah, Montana, and then up into Canada through Alberta and British Columbia. About a 2,200 mile ride. I was able to use some new Lone Rider products. And one of them was the travel packing cubes inside my saddlebags, my Lone Rider saddlebags you can see in the back here. So I wanted to show you how I used them, how they worked, and just give you some tips. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. All right, so I have their moto bags, of course, and let me open them up, and I was able to use the packing cubes inside these. And you know, both sides I've got packing cubes, so let me open them up and show you inside. All right, what do I have in this side? So these are designed to fit really well in their moto bags. So this is their laundry bag, and since I've been gone for a while, I did do laundry once on this trip in one town, but it's full of dirty laundry. So I need to go do some laundry now. And I've got a couple other bags in here. This is their small one. This is good for socks and stuff. Let me open them up in just a minute here when I get them all out. This one's really their shoe bag. I put a wet swimsuit in here when I was swimming in the river. And then this is kind of their medium-sized bag, and they are collapsible. They do open up, so you can get more space, and so that's nice. Let me show you on the other side. So on the other side, I have a bigger bag here I used for a lot of laundry and stuff. And so that's all of them. Let me open them up and show you kind of what I have in there. All right, here's what I had in mine. Like I said, this is the laundry bag. So I got laundry in here I need to do. This was, I put like pants, shirts, shorts, things like that in here. I could fit quite a bit. These keep me really organized. These are some of your undergarments or whatever you want to put. These are just socks. I also slipped my passport in there as well, so I wouldn't lose it. These are really designed for a pair of shoes. I put my swimsuit in there that was wet just so it didn't get everything else wet, because I went swimming in the river last night. So yeah, these are awesome and really keep me organized. And I wouldn't mind having even a second set potentially. Just to put other types of things, even like food or other things in them. So these are awesome. And they're the travel packing cubes by Lone Rider. So yeah, go check them out. These are awesome. Definitely a must-have for the moto bags, and they fit, you know, and are designed to fit inside those really well. So anyway, go check it out on their website.